two recruiters. Same candidate, same goal. On the left, it's business as usual. A CV, a cold email, and a whole lot of hoping. On the right, with a click of a button, the same CV becomes a branded, interactive profile built to cut through. Move beyond the traditional PDF. Deliver something clean, responsive, built for senior stakeholders and driven by intelligent technology. Multi-channel outreach. Floats meets hiring managers where they already communicate and presents talent in a way that's easy to digest. No logins, no attachments. Just instant access and clear intent. No more guessing. You know who opened it and when they're ready to interview. Whether you're sending a shortlist, marketing a candidate, promoting a role, or mapping the market, Floats puts your talent in front of decision makers, quickly and clearly. Stand out and move faster with Floats. Floats. Book your demo at Floats.ai or jump in and try it for yourself.